finally got my salary. All that work finally paid off. I'll take that, thank you. Who are you? Oh, I'm the government. So here's your GST, then your income tax, your property tax. That should be enough. This is what you have left.
$50.
10 rupees. That's all I have left. Oh no. Hi guys, I'm Sumit from Finance Talking with Sumit, along with Bullsmart today to help you save on taxes. Now everybody I know keeps complaining that the Indian tax system is way too complicated. But watch this video till the end so that I can help you save a lot of money while filing your taxes. So the first tip while filing your taxes is that if you belong to a higher income bracket, then it's better to go for the old tax slab. And if you're just starting out with your career, then I suggest you to go with the newer tax slab. This is mainly because the old tax slab offers you a lot of deductions, while the newer tax slab offers you lower interest rates. If you're still confused which tax slab to choose, you can consult your local CA. Here's a quick glance at both of them. Now let's dive into the tax exemptions as well as deductions the government offers you. But to prevent any confusion, let me tell you the difference between exemptions and deductions. Tax exemptions are allowances provided by the government which are tax-free, and tax deductions are specific items on your income which can be deducted up to a certain limit. Now that we are clear, let me get into more detail with all the tax exemptions as well as deductions. So firstly, we have HRA, which is the house rent allowance. The government provides you this allowance as a tax exemption if you live on rent. Now, your employer gives you a specific amount of allowance which varies depending upon if you live in a metro city or a non-metro city. And also you can take advantage of this allowance even if you own a house in another city as long as you're living on rent. Now to get a clear-cut idea on how much HRA exemption you can get, you can go to the Indian Income Tax official website and use their HRA exemption calculator. Next we have LTA, my personal favorite. Now LTA stands for Leave Travel Allowance. This states that you can claim your tax exemption for 2 years of travel expenses for every 4-year cycles. So imagine you go on a holiday with your family and your airfare is rupees 40,000. You can claim that over here. A holiday does sound nice. Now let's talk about Section 80C. I'm pretty sure all you finance nerds already know about this. There are two main things to remember in this section. The maximum amount of deductions you can make is up to 1.5 lakhs. And also the best thing to invest in to get maximum tax saving benefits here is ELSS, which is your equity linked savings scheme. Now this gives you higher returns than your NPS and also tax saving FDs. ELSS is a mutual fund. Now if you want to know more about mutual funds, you should check out Bullsmart. They are the best platform to learn about them. Next, we have Section 80D, which gives you tax deductions on medical insurance. Now, I honestly feel that everyone should own a medical insurance no matter what age you are. That's because life is very unpredictable. And medical insurances are also a part of an emergency fund. What's an emergency fund? Well, we'll discuss that in detail some other day. But an emergency fund is basically 6 to 12 months of your salary which you keep aside to cover up your expenses in case you lose your job or something unexpected occurs in life. Now, if you have kids, then you can get a tax exemption of $1,200 per year per child on education expenses and $3,600 per year per child on hostel expenses. Well, that does not mean kids aren't expensive. But you also have tax deductions on tuition fees, education loans, and also your savings account. Now, I believe that in our day and age, everyone should learn at least the basics of the Indian income tax system. So if you learned something new today, I am really proud of you. You can also comment down below at what age you started filing your own taxes. And subscribe to Bullsmart to make finance easy to learn. So see you next time. Bye.